Day number 11, checking out of our Cradle Mountain campsite. We're just hanging up the millions of wet clothes that didn't dry, and then we'll be heading off. Little Steve here will miss us. He's just having breakfast. So we'll be driving from Cradle Mountain down south and west towards Queenstown, and along the way stop at Tala and some other walks as well. What was the plan?
Yeah, I don't know. There's some stuff around. There's the Iron Blow in Queenstown. There's some Horsetail Falls or something we can check out. Just depends how energetic we're feeling. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have made our first stop today. We're here at Tala Lakeside Lodge. There's a beautiful mountain behind me in the background. There's my beautiful husband over there. We're going to go in, we're going to get a coffee, we're going to walk by the lake, and then we're going to get back in the car and drive to Queenstown. So this is the place we're buying next year. We're going to have our property just here, overlooking the water. Yeah, you wish.
I wish?
Yeah. A lot has happened since I last checked in with you. We have checked in with our camper van site for the night in Queenstown, and then we had some lunch. We both had the same burger, the Miners Burger, at the Empire Hotel in Queenstown. That was delicious. Highly recommend. About 10 minutes ago we were over on the other side of the road checking out the Iron Blow lookout, which is a big open cut mine from back in the day. They mainly mine copper and a bit of gold here. There's also silver and a bunch of other minerals that they mine here too.
I think they started off looking for gold, but they didn't find that much gold, so it was mostly copper after that.
Yeah. Now we're going to Horsetail Falls, which is a half-hour return trek away from the car park, which is just down there.
starting some dinner. We got some bacon, capsicum, zucchini, and mushroom. And we're adding it to some chicken rice, and it's gonna be
delicious.
Here we have dinner, with more dinner coming. Very nice. Looking forward to it.
Yeah, it should be good.
I'm pretty hungry.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is day 12. We have an early start this morning. We're going on a train trip. Are you excited?
I'm so excited.
Yay! It's gonna be a steam train.
But this also has I'm gonna forget the name of it. It's like a pin and thing. It's like got a gear thing to help it in the middle of the track. It's got this thing to help it go up really high inclines.
Yeah.
So it's quite unique in the world.
It's the only one in the southern hemisphere to have that system.
So that'll be interesting to see.
Yeah. That is what is the deal with today. Lots of stuff to see and do. So come along with us. Have a great time.
Smile. Okay, Louise, we have just finished our West Coast Railway experience. How was it?
It was fantastic, so good. I loved every single minute of it. Like just going on the steam train, seeing the beautiful restored carriages, all the scenery that we went by, going up the rapid piston system. That was very cool. We did all the activities as well, like go gold mining, or gold panning, or gold mining, gold panning. There's lots of museums set up at the stations. Really got like the Lux package, the wilderness package, and we were treated to all the food and all the drinks on the way there and on the way back. It was just such a good time, really worth it.
Yeah, a lot of history. It's pretty scenic as well. And in the gold panning, we struck it rich.
We struck it rich!
We struck it rich. We're the only one to find gold, and we found this nugget.
Yeah, look at it.
Chunk of gold.
Whoa.
Very good. There it is.
So we're gonna buy a Lambo.
Look at that. We're gonna buy a Lambo.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's a pretty good find.
That is such a good find.
Yeah, that's a significant chunk of gold, not just a speck. So, needless to say, we're retiring soon. Moving into one of these mountains, maybe building a mansion up there.
Yeah.
Looks pretty good. Unfortunately, we had to leave in a hurry. So, we're going somewhere. Where are we going, Lo?
Tara-Lee.
Tara-Lee.
So, we're in a bit of a situation. Not sure how it happened, but it happened anyway. We're not going to question it. We're just going to go with this one. We have to go 2 hours away from here, Queenstown to Tara-Lee. Then, that's where we're staying. Then, after we go to Tara-Lee, we have to go back an hour to Derwent Bridge and do the platypus kayak tour.
Which is going to be amazing.
Yes.
But unfortunately, we need to check in before we do the tour, because it's a night tour, because the platypus are more active at night.
Yeah.
So there's going to be a lot of driving. It's now like at 2 o'clock, which is 3 hours before we got to get there, and we got 3 hours of driving.
Yeah.
So anyway, it's going to be pretty fun. Alright, we've just checked into this place. Looks really nice. I've got all these nice cabins and gardens and things, but we're just camping. And we're on our way back to where we came for an hour, and we're gonna go hunting platypus for dinner. Should be fun.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, we're back from our paddle with the platypus. We went kayaking in the Derwent River and we saw a platypus.
Saw a platypus.
Just the one platypus. They were very elusive platypi tonight. We've learnt something. Platypus, like penguins, like it when it's like a bit noisy outside. Like it was too fresh today, it was too beautiful.
Beautiful weather, it was sunny, it was still, it was warm. But yeah, we had a great time. We spent an hour and a bit, I think, just kayaking down the river.
It was more like 2 hours.
2 hours.
Yeah.
We stopped into this little place, just a little clearing, had some cheese and water and nuts. Just get some crackers or whatever. So that was really nice. It's good to have a chat with everyone as well.
Made lots of friends. There was only 5 of us. 5 of us? 6 of us.
Yeah, 5 plus the guide.
Yeah.
Tassie Bound is a company.
Yes, highly recommended.
Highly recommend.
If you're in Tassie, they operate out of Bushy Park. Tassie Bound, we'll put a link in the description below so that way you can follow them and book your paddle with the platypus tour. Seriously, so good. We kayaked down that river. It was so nice. It was so good. Guys, just do it. It's so good. It's so worth it. Even if you don't see any platypus, it's just like so peaceful.
We weren't able to take a phone or GoPro or anything, so he took some photos from Facebook, so we'll show some of those.
So now that the plan is to go back to Talaria, which is about an hour's drive away, but it's probably going to be slower than that because it's dusk now, and at dusk you have to drive at 65 k's so you don't kill any animals on the way. So that's where we're going, that's where we're headed, and I'm going to get some shots of this beautiful sunset for you. Tonight's gourmet meal is brought to you by bacon, vegetables and mee goreng. We made it to Tarlee, where our caravan site is, camper van site is. This is David, he is eating a delicious bowl.
Yes, starving.
And I'm here, we're both in our pajamas, but we still like need to eat and then go to the bathroom and do all the stuff. But it is the end of day 12. We are coming very close to the end of the whole holiday. You sad?
I'm sad. I've had a great time.
I've been really enjoying myself. And I feel like I've only just gotten into the swing of things, and I would like another week. Thank you very much.
Or two.
Another week or two? You want a whole month off?
Yeah.
I can see why people would take a whole month off minimum to do the whole camper van thing. He nods in approval.
Not in approval.
Alrighty, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click the like button, you subscribe, and you do all the other stuff. Comment down below whether you have any tips or ideas for the next time we come to Tasmania, because we're coming back because it's amazing. And we will see you with another video shortly. Peace out.